In today's episode, let me show you how to transform your KNX project from this to this. So, what's the difference? The labels. Now you can see very easily a small description for each device and also its individual address. For example, in this demo project, this is the KNX power supply, this is a plug for a demo light, this is the red and green light, this is a dimming actuator, this is a KNX switch, this is a KNX IP interface, and this is an LED strip. So, red light, green light, LED strip, and demo light. Hello and welcome to Poseidon Tech. In this episode you will learn how to create labels for your KNX projects. So, what will you need? Label Manager 16.0 from DYMO. This is DYMO's entry-level label maker. Let's see what's inside this box. The Label Manager, the D1 Starter Label cassette, the Quick Start Guide, a CD with the instruction manual. DYMO 16.0 is a very nice product, and the most important thing is that it's so easy to use. It needs 6 AAA batteries. This is the starter D1 label cassette. There are available different sizes and colors. It is 12 mm and 3 meters long. Insert the cassette into the back of the Label Manager. We are ready to turn it on. First, choose the size of the cassette, 12 mm, and press OK. Here we have the power button, font size button, bold, italic, underline, and vertical printing. Of course, the print button, the menu button, navigation buttons, OK button, and back button. Here we have the keyboard with numbers, letters, backspace, capital to small letters button, space and enter. OK, let's write our first label. First, the individual address and a small description. You can very easily adjust the font size. I will leave it 16. Choose if you want bold or italic or maybe underline. Each time you press it, there are different options for borders. Also, you can choose vertical printing. When you are ready, just press the print button. press the cut button and your label is ready. In order to remove the sticker cover, press it gently in the middle and remove the two covers. Now let's attach the labels on this demo cabinet. Let's make another label with capital and small letters. By pressing the menu button, you will have access to more symbols. Also Greek, small and capital letters. Also there are available and many clip arts. Let's print the smiley face. Let me choose also a border. Nice. At last, if you press the menu button twice, you will have access to some settings such as the label width, language, and units in millimeters or inches. So, this was DYMO 16.0 Label Manager. Don't forget to label all your projects because it's a detail that makes the difference. If you like my tutorials, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.